I'm streaming it now.
All
First thing,
right.
I would just like to say, music is fucking phenomenal.
Squirrel Stapler.
Squirrel
Interactive
Stapler.
small game hunting. Hunt.
Can we just sit here and enjoy this menu music? I think this is the most
Hold on.
enjoyable menu music I've ever heard.
Hold on, I'm turning up the volume. Give me 1 second. Oh, it's simple and it works.
It works. It works.
It works really well.
Aiden, check out this music real quick.
Let's look at it.
Can I take a screenshot of this? I want this to be my background.
I love that it doesn't loop.
I know. Oh, fuck. Okay.
There's some pretty good music.
Okay, let's get to it.
What the hell?
We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom. But our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved, the flies have made her ugly and rotten.
Yeah, the flies.
I wish she were beautiful like the squirrels of the woods. Oh, and so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood.
Can I read notes?
Yeah, I'll let you read the notes.
Let's go. He's conveniently not going to click on any notes. Oh. Book of the Grove, Chapter 4, Verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, Thou shalt not staple squirrels.
Fuck you, goat. I'm going to staple all the squirrels to my corpse wife.
That's not a note, I can't read it. Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. You can run, default shift, while standing or crouching, but be careful, it's louder. Stay low in default control to hide in the foliage and creep quietly. Use patches of grass.
I hate to cut you off, but I don't want to listen to all that. I know how to play this game. I just don't hurt the squirrels, Cletus. By the way, you guys only refer to me as Cletus now, while I am playing this game.
Yo, Cletus, them's bullets.
Thanks. Oh.
Looky there.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You fucking smoked that thing.
I fucking smoked him. I shot him in the anus.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, oh,
Heck
I'm
yeah.
so fucking good. Holy shit, I need to be put in phase.
I'm gonna make a clip montage.
Make a phase clan for this game.
Hold on, I'm gonna record this on OBS through the Discord.
Yeah, do that.
Why do you need health? Are the squirrels gonna attack you?
You'll see.
You'll never know. Oh, note. Nick.
Oh, the lady part. Part 1. Oops. Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who given it her hair for its creation. As he imagined she must look. That's a long sentence. He was then informed that due to a terrible mix-up, the hair had actually come from a wild boar.
Oh,
Come
man.
back tomorrow for part 2.
This is
Next time, to be continued on JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
so filled, so loreful, dude. It's oh.
That's a heckin' squirrel. Look at that clip.
Clip it.
Squirrel fact. Squirrels have 4 sharp toes on their front feet for climbing and 5 toes on their back feet.
Oh, wow.
Them squirrels have uneven amount of toes. That's why they're so dangerous.
As the wildlife major, I can confirm. Did you know, actually, that squirrels are on top of the food chain?
Yeah, we're actually eaten by the squirrels.
We are. They just don't do
We're
it
the
out of...
prey.
They don't...
They're the hunters.
They just don't do it out of pity. Oh. No!
Heck yeah.
No, he
Whoa.
got away!
No, you got away.
Nah, he didn't get
Fuck.
away.
He got away.
Oh, we have a squirrel fact.
Squirrel fact. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week.
Once again, true. As a wildlife major, I can't confirm.
Though
I don't know if that was really worth it for an energy drink, though.
it's increased speed. I
Knowing
didn't miss any
you,
health.
Do not talk about my monster consumption rate.
I
how'd you know
mean,
that's where I
Read
was
the
going?
squirrel fact.
Squirrel fact. Squirrels can survive a fall as much as 30 feet and can jump up to 20 feet. Straight up in there.
wait, they can just like vertically jump 20
Yep,
feet.
that is
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
That makes me like a little more scared of squirrels than I
Told
usually
you,
was.
top of the food chain, brother.
They're so tiny. How the fuck do they have that much like jump power?
They got springs in their legs.
Yeah, I can imagine. 20 feet. That's kind of
It's
crazy.
not about the size of the boat, but the row of the motion.
Oh. What?
Hold on, I'm like, I have smoke coming out of my ears after hearing that. I can't process what that means.
One of my classes that I actually take this semester is squirrel management, so
It's because they're a different kind of wildlife.
yeah, it really is. It is because of that exact reason.
Is that your hardest class?
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, no, when you have to deal with the squirrels, man, they go fucking crazy.
4 already is impressive enough.
It is. But my wife wants more,
Yeah.
or my husband.
You're
I
dead in your
And see-
life.
Well, what would if you were you? Would it be a wife or a husband?
Yes.
A wise man once said, "A girl without a cock is like an angel without wings."
As we have stated, squirrel is above man.
Indeed.
But they are not made in God's image.
This is better than
There you go.
already
there.
better.
She doesn't have a head.
For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the shattering voice divine. Who should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means.
That made as much sense as my boat thing earlier. Wait, is that my hut?
No, that's a new hut.
That is.
Let's see you. Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Sack to boost your score.
Oh, I'm fucking the dead corpse squirrel apart.
Committing sins?
Mentions. Oh, here we go.
In 2007, 14 squirrels was arrested in Iran.
You know, we went over that fact in Squirrel Management 101. You want to know why they got arrested?
Arson.
You don't want to know why they got arrested. Oh.
I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead.
Too bad, you're getting squirrels. Ungrateful bitch.
Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 3. Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store,
You know where
because he
this-
has been castrated.
You know where this faithful man stores his nuts?
In your mom.
Yeah, I fucking knew it. What in the holy ass fuck?
What the hell is that thing? He
And
just
that's what you
suicide
call-
bombed himself.
Okay.
Have y'all not covered that in squirrel management?
I don't think that was a squirrel.
No, I don't think we've gotten to that chapter. That was so obviously a squirrel.
The newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her ways in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and entrails flopped around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked to the old woman, who was examining the pennies he'd given her, unfazed. She caught his gaze, shrugged, and said, "I reserve a special spell for these circumstances." She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall.
Oh no.
And then-
Return tomorrow for part 4.
I mean, what else would you expect for a couple of smeckles?
They were pretty loud when they were coming after you.
What?
Like that. What the hell?
That's Ghost of Squirrel's
Oh,
Past.
squirrel.
Oh yeah, we went over these.
Uh-oh.
Oh, is that a new fact?
Squirrel fact. Squirrels can regenerate lost limbs, although it can take a few years to do so.
They really are superior.
Yeah,
The more facts I
this is the
figure out,
stuff
the
the
more I'm
public don't
finding
want
out.
you to know. Honey, I'm
I don't know where
home,
it is.
and I brought squirrels. Wait a minute.
Did she go get some dinner?
She gone. Well, I mean, when's the last time you fed your wife and or husband?
Squirrels, Nick. Don't try to tell me I don't know how to take care of my family. Hello, honey. You moved. That's cool. I brought
It
you more
doesn't.
squirrels.
Book of the Grove, Chapter 4, Verse 4. In this way, the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Wherefore, squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters die, so that lobsters may die.
Live.
What?
That says live.
Fuck.
But amen anyway.
Yep.
Fuck lobsters.
Squirrel fact. Squirrels can debone a human male in under 3 hours.
That's once again very scarily true. God damn it! They're gonna fucking
Damn.
kill me at this rate.
Those fuckers really want you. You have killed a lot of their kind.
Only fair to make things even. See, it's that sound. That's the deboning sound, I bet.
Yeah. Hi, wife.
No,
The
fuck.
fuck is she, where did she just come from?
I ain't dealing with that. This is my time, not her time. Okay. I spend every night with her and the squirrels, and this is she doesn't need to tag along with me like this. Here it is.
You gotta do it.
I gotta do it.
Come to
You better be fucking be back here before I kill you again, biatch. There she is. Take these squirrels, ho. I'm done with your shit. Ungrateful for the squirrels I've been
I
giving
think
you.
this is the day that God arrives.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I've gotta meet God today, bitch.
Yeah, you got no nuts, bruh.
God is coming today.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Yep, just gotta treat it like any other day, you know? Being out here.
Squirrel fact, there's more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry.
Her? Fuck. I killed one!
Nice.
Oh shit!
Oh shit. Fun.
Fuck.
Uh-oh.
The trees. The wind has changed. The trees speak to me a different song. Yeah!
Nice.
What,
Uh,
first, the Shinsek.
I could.
Oh, can't go into the Shinsek anymore. Okay, I guess God is here. Can't commit sin, you know, on the day you meet Jeebus.
True.
Jeebus.
I don't know, what do I need to do to prepare for
Ammo, I guess.
I'm not gonna shoot
Or do you
God,
need to go back
Aiden.
home?
Maybe you're
Are
right.
you able to go back home?
I would
Maybe it's
assume
at
so.
that Stonehenge where you died a lot,
I never
or
died
got
anywhere.
hurt. Where you got hurt when you got the energy drink.
I think it would be best to go back home. Maybe sit up my life with the wife with the last remaining squirrels I have.
Right. What? Ugh. I don't like this. I don't know if you can actually.
I must meet God. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ugh.
I don't know what to do.
Just wait for his survival, I guess. So loud. Oh, jeez.
Well, shit.
Damn.
Lay down, old boy, put your head down to rest. We'll wait till the morning and start over again. We can't be far now till we find our home. I've seen a lot out on this road. I'll keep on.